Welcome everybody to today's video. Today we're going to be dropping into Little Scorpion Anchorage, right there by the boundary. And so I saw a bunch of fish on the sonar, and I'm going to be taking some screenshots next time to show you what I'm seeing and why and how I make decisions to choose the places that I like to drop in. I think that is good information to share. And so right here, we're going to cruise up on a couple half moons. You can see one over there in the background, and right here, Halfmoon Perch. And I think, when you see these marks on the screen, I think it's several species of fish usually, because look, you can see right here, there's another sheephead there, and there's another one. And so they're probably just cruising around their reef, picking up any sort of crustacean. And so I've been doing a little bit of research, and since I guess my major was in biology, but now I'm more of a chemist. But on the floor here, it's covered in these creatures. And so I come up on this rock, and I actually ran into it pretty hard. It actually kind of disconnected the connection from the drone. And so we'll get a good little shot here. You can see everything is covered here, and boom, a little pilot error, as I call it. And you can see right here, you see the central area and the radial symmetry. Those are brittle and basket stars. All of these. And so they're not really a starfish per se, but they are part of the echinoderm family, which encompasses sea cucumbers, starfish, anemones, sea urchins. And so you can see that there's a couple. You can see there's one there, and off to the left of the frame, there's some anemones also. So I was reading that these can live in like pretty dense populations, which is fairly obvious. You can see them all. And then there's another sheephead. That one looks like it's turning into a male. You could see the white jaw there and the black head. So you can see a lot of sheephead in a lot of these videos if you guys have been following me for a while. They're out there. How to catch them? Well, isn't that a secret? So, they're also very tasty too. So I just love this shot. Look how the intricate reef structures here, and what's living inside those little rocks. And since lobster season just started, not really sure if you want to where you throw your traps or something like that, but that's for another video that I'm working on. And so we're gonna keep cruising around. I remember this dive, I did one earlier this day, the same day, and look at that beautiful shot of just that big old cliff kind of right there. And that cliff is probably, about 4 feet tall, I'd say, maybe 5 feet tall. And so I did one earlier video, and so I didn't have much battery left. That's why this video isn't very long. But you could look right here. You could see the radial symmetry of these brittle and basket stars. And of course, the echinoderm family, you can see that there's an actual sea star there. And so I can see that they're just littered all over the place. I wouldn't say littered, but they're all over the place in very dense populations across here. And I just really like that view, just taking it in. And yeah, I knew I was running low on the battery. I remember this. So, but anyway, if you guys like these videos, please subscribe. Kind of gets me motivated to keep it going, and we're gonna keep doing these videos and hopefully find something really cool. And I'd love to have you along my adventure. Anyway, you guys take care, and I'll see you guys next week.